Slowly kisses passing by the river. Haven't missed it. Slowly kisses passing by.
Hey cuties, welcome back to another video of Kid Lulu, and today we're going to be doing a tiny house build challenge. So basically it's a speed build in a tiny house, and we'll see if we can make a family of 12 house fit. I mean like a family of 7, not a family of 12, guys. That was an accident in the recording, so guys, I didn't really want to reset that. So let's just get started and see if we can fit 7 people in this. So first I'm going to be doing this room. I'm gonna try and customize it and see if I can do it. So I'll be back when I find out what I'm gonna do. Okay guys, so now I finished this room, and now this will be the lounge slash like parents' room area. I don't know if it's going to be fitting it for the lounge, but let's see what we can do. And enjoy the speed build. Okay, I'm done with that. Now let's do the kitchen. So this is how it looks, and now we're going to do the kitchen actually. So let's see what we can do and enjoy the speed build again. So now we're left with the last room, which is the bathroom, and I'm going to finish this up and I'll be back to you. So enjoy the speed build, and then we're going to give a whole tour of the house.